Experiencing issues with your Spectrum cable box like freezing, pixelation, or no signal? A simple reboot, also known as a power cycle, can often resolve these problems. To perform a power cycle, locate the power cord at the back of your Spectrum cable box and unplug it from the wall outlet. It's important to unplug it from the wall, not just turn off the TV or box with the remote. Wait for at least 30 seconds, but up to 2 minutes for more stubborn issues. This allows any residual power to dissipate, fully resetting the system. Then, plug the power cord back in. The box will automatically reboot, displaying the Spectrum logo and reloading channels. This process usually takes 2 to 5 minutes. Once completed, test to see if the issue has been resolved. Power cycling clears temporary software glitches, refreshes the system cache, and restores connectivity, making it a fundamental troubleshooting step. This method works for 75% of cable box issues. For persistent issues, ensure the coaxial cable connected to your box is secure. If you have a DVR, consider rebooting during off-peak hours to minimize potential data loss. Also, be aware that Spectrum's mobile app, version 25.1 2025, allows remote rebooting for select boxes. Looking ahead, streaming services and app-based controls are becoming more prevalent. Experts predict a decline in cable box usage, with users increasingly opting for streaming apps. While cable boxes support smart integrations like HDMI ARC and voice commands, the trend leans toward cord cutter setups managed by smart TVs or routers. Newer eco-friendly models reduce power draw, making reboots less frequent, but firmware updates may still require them. By 2030, cable boxes may be largely obsolete, replaced by cloud-based streaming hubs. Spectrum is exploring AI-driven diagnostics to automate issue detection and suggest reboots via notifications. While internet speed improvements may minimize glitches, cybersecurity threats could increase the need for reboots. Remember, rebooting is effective for episodic issues, but not a cure for hardware failures. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support.